The sun is high and the dogs are ready, lined up ready for the 1500 Medley relay team. We've got the awesomest dog, Barney, and our adjudicator, Kiko Anderson, a very specific, very well-trained adjudicator. Measured out to be one of the hardest tracks to compete in. This 15-meter track is a big match for some dogs. Kiko is ready to adjudicate. He's got some good judging skills. Okay, we've got our first contestant, Barney, and he's going to be running the 15-meter relay. Is he ready? On your marks, get set, go! Whoa, and it takes off with leaping speed, coming to the finish, getting ready to give up, and our next dog is off. It's Amelia Burns, and she's coming in for the neck, and she's off. She is off for a good start. She's coming in, she's slowed down the end, and she's going full speed. One more cut, and our final one. It's up for the run. It's running. Barney's running. He's going. And he's going for the finish. Oh, such a great run. Those contestants. Oh, Barney's so tired. Look at him. What a great run. Let's see from the adjudicators. What do they think? First adjudicator number 1, Kiko Anderson. What does he think?
I honestly think it was a great round. I think all dogs did really well, but I honestly think they could do a little better. But Barney, oh my God, he was outstanding. He ran like lightning speed, right? Like, too cool. Our second adjudicator, Emily Hopkins. So, let's see, what does she think? I honestly think they did such a great job. They ran at lightning speed. They were absolutely caning it then. But I think Barney, he did absolutely the bestest job, running first and then having to run again because another of his teammate had been disqualified because it had got too much of a head start. I think they did absolutely amazing. Barney, come here! Come here!
Oh my God, let's congratulate this team! Barney team! What a fantastic run! And that's our first race done. Next race will be on very, very soon.